welcome back. This is episode 3 of Urban Gardening, and in this episode we will be creating a hanging herb garden. So for this project, we did see some inspiration on Amazon. It looks to be made out of something like a PVC pipe. It has rope to attach all 3 of the layers. It was kind of cute, but the reviews were not great. There was mentions of leaking, as well as the rope not being very good quality and falling apart. So we're going to try to recreate it with a few changes. Alright, so the materials that we will be using, starting with the PVC pipe. This PVC pipe is 5 feet by 2 inches in diameter, and to attach them together in place of the rope, we'll be using a chain, some eye bolts, some silicone to plug up the holes that we drilled to prevent any leaking. To cut the pipe, we'll be using a PVC cable saw, some end caps, primer, and cement. So now we will be heading outside to cut and glue our PVC. You do want to be in a well ventilated area when you're using the PVC cement. Our PVC pipe is 60 inches long, so we will be cutting it into 3 20-inch pieces. I'm using my foot to hold the pipe in place while I cut it with the cable saw. Make sure you take your time with this and make sure it cuts straight. Now I'm taking 150 grit sandpaper to the outer edges of the cut to remove the burrs to ensure a tight fit in the end caps. Once you're done with the sanding, coat the inside of the end cap with the PVC primer, followed by the PVC cement. Do the same with the outside of the PVC pipe. Make sure to do this quickly so that the primer is still wet when you apply the cement. Insert the end of the pipe into the end cap, making sure to push it all the way on. Then mark where you want your eye bolts to go and drill all the way through both sides. For your last level, only drill through one side. Trace out your opening on the top of the pipe and cut it out with a rotary tool. I'd made mine about 1.5 inches wide and stopped about 1/2 inch or so from the edge of the end caps. Take the 150 grit sandpaper to the cut edges again to remove any burrs. So now we're back inside. I'm going to place all of our eye bolts. Alright, now that we have these eye bolts on, we're going to put some silicone around the inside, around each nut. So we've just kind of gooped it around, just making sure that it is watertight. The appearance isn't that important, seeing as it's on the inside and will be filled with dirt anyways. Now we're going to add the chain to our pieces. We've purchased some chain here, and I'm doing 4 links. I can measure that and put the exact measurement on screen. 4. So I'll be cutting on the 4th link of the chain. I did it! We got our chain here. Open it up a little bit more. Got our chain. Now we just gotta close it up. Now we've got a longer piece cut, and this will be what the entire structure hangs from, so we'll attach that to the top. So now we've got this all put together, and we will just add the other two beneath. It looks great. I'm very happy with it. Now all we need to do is add plants. So now that we have everything put together and we've got all the plants in them, we've hung it up and they're looking pretty cute. It will look much better once our herbs really start to take off. Right now they're a little small. We started them from seed and they seem to be doing pretty well, so exciting to see how they turn out. You can always paint them if you're not a fan of the white or if you have a lot of the markings showing. That is pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you would like to see more and leave suggestions if you have any. Thank you. Shaking and moving.
Yeah.